Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing 3 horses, and the first one is going to be a Peter Stone horse on the Remington mold. And I went ahead and just took him out of the box to speed up the process, but I haven't actually unwrapped him yet. So this is Gold Digger, and so he is the horse that was on the Remington mold for the Stone County Horse Fair. I did not actually attend the Stone County Horse Fair, but I was able to find someone that was willing to sell theirs off the Peter Stone sales page on Facebook, and just happy that someone was finally willing to part ways with one of them, being I haven't seen anyone else put theirs up for sale. And so he is all mummified right now, so let's unwrap him. And pretty sure this is the matte version. So he was a split between, there were 15 glossy made and 15 matte ones made, so for a total of 30 made of this horse. So as you know, in comparison to Breyer, it's a really low run number. So, yep, it looks like he is the matte version. And let's take his foot tag off. So, it looks like he has one blue eye and one brown eye. And he is a buckskin Overo. Closer view with him so you can see. So actually this horse is painted with thermal paint, so apparently when it's above 86 degrees he looks more like a Palomino, so he's lighter in color, and when it's colder than 86 degrees he looks more like a buckskin. So right now, yeah, I would definitely say he has some darker tones, so he's more like a buckskin right now. And he is very beautiful. I'll give you guys a closer view of him so you can see his paint a little bit better. So his paint actually looks like it has some sparkle to it. I'm sure you guys probably can't really see that, but in person you can definitely see the shimmer in his coat, which is really nice. Nice detail, which all of Peter Stone horses are very detailed, which is very nice. So hopefully you guys can see him pretty well and see his adorable little face. And he is very nicely done. So he might actually be my favorite horse I have so far on the Remington mold. So he is my 4th one I have on the Remington mold. I would love to have more eventually. So I really like him from this side. I like him from both sides, but this side is definitely my favorite. You can really see the movement. And it's just like really crazy how much detail there is in the muscling on his legs and on his shoulders. Definitely, probably my most favorite mold. So that's Gold Digger, and we'll set him aside so we can unwrap another horse. So the next horse I'm going to be unwrapping is a Breyer horse. And let's take all this stuff out. So this horse is from Breyerfest 2020, so he was a special run. And I found him on the Facebook page for where people sell their Breyers. So, and I think I found him for a pretty good price considering how much he goes for on eBay. So I'm glad to finally able to get one. I only have I think maybe 2 or 3 horses on this mold. I do not have the Premier Club one, so I'm still looking for that one too. So this is Oak, and he is a draft horse. And he is definitely kind of heavy in comparison to this guy. So let's give you guys a closer look at him. And his spots are actually really nicely done. I don't really see any major flaws on him anywhere, just at first glance. And this boy is actually one of the better special runs, I think, that Breyer has done. So they did a really good job with this one, I think. So I'll give you guys a closer look at him. So you can see that he is definitely very beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see him pretty well. Okay, so now I have Oak and Gold Digger. I think they look pretty cute together. So we'll set these two ones aside, and I have one more horse that I want to unbox, which is kind of a surprise. I'm sure everyone will love this one, given who it is. And I'm sure you guys can figure out who it is by just looking at the back of the box. So it is Spirit, and Spirit is one that I've wanted for a very long time. This horse actually came out in 2002, so this horse is really old, but the box is actually in really good condition, and it looks like he's never even been removed from the box, actually. So let's get a closer look at him. I'm not sure if you guys can see him too well with the glare on the box, but he is very nicely shaded. I've wanted this horse for so long. Even when I was little, I wanted this horse, but he has steadily gone up in price over the years. I was glad to finally able to get one for a decent price. So definitely snatched him. So now I have 3 new horses for the week, which is not a bad week. So I always really look forward to when I have more horses coming. So yep. So I have Spirit, who is in very good condition, who I might actually leave in the box. I would like to have one out of the box too, but I might just try to find someone selling theirs that's already been out of the box, because I don't want to really risk like ruining anything if I try to take him out. So I might just keep this one for display. And we have Oak, and probably my favorite, which would be Gold Digger. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.